Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share with you 5 separate ways to make t-shirts. These methods are not only easy but also budget-friendly, so you can create custom t-shirts without breaking the bank. So, let us get started. The first method is stencil and paint. All you need is a plain t-shirt, fabric paint, and a stencil. You can either buy a stencil or make it your own. Simply place the stencil on the t-shirt and apply the paint using a brush. Once the paint is dry, remove the stencil, and you have a custom designed t-shirt. The second method is iron-on transfer. You can buy iron-on transfer paper and print your design onto it. Then, cut the design out and iron it onto the t-shirt. It is a quick and effortless way to create a personalized t-shirt. The third method is tie-dye. This is a classic and fun way to create unique t-shirts. You can use different techniques like spiral, bullseye, or stripes to create your desired pattern. All you need is a tie-dye kit, water, and a plain t-shirt. The fourth method is embroidery. This technique involves stitching designs onto the t-shirt. You can use embroidery floss or thread to create intricate designs. Embroidery can add a unique touch to your t-shirt. The fifth and final method is screen printing. This technique requires a bit more equipment and effort, but the results are worth it. You will need a screen, ink, a squeegee, and a design. The design is printed onto the screen, and the ink is pressed through the screen onto the t-shirt. So those are the 5 ways to make t-shirts. I hope this video has inspired you to get creative and make your own custom tees. Which method do you think you will try first? Let me know in the comments below. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and crafting ideas. Thanks for watching.